Codenja. So previously we have worked on valid parameters using Rufus approach, and now we will work on optimized approach where we use a stack data structure to for that where a stack is a data structure. Here I initialize with character and name it as a stack and new stack. So those who don't see the brute approach, first of all see that later on comment this one. So here they gave us a string, yes, so we need to traverse into the string using a for loop until the length of that string. So here I will take a for loop and traverse the entire string, and later I take an variable name ch where it is the first character of that string. So we need to push all the open braces into the stack first initially. So for that I will check for the first element if ch equals to open brace or ch equals to open square brace or ch equals to open curly brace. Then we need to push that character into the stack. So here the stack dot push ch. If the character is not open one, sorry, here I put the close one, so the open one. So here it is the then else here if we need to find out whether the stack is empty. If the stack is empty we need to return false. If stack dot is empty, then we need to return false here. And here for check for the top, here top equals to tag dot pop. And also if the character is a closed one and the top not equals to the open one for example, if the current character is the open brace of open square brace and the top is not a square brace, if it is some other brace, then it is also be a not valid parameters. So for that we need to find out if ch equals to closed brace and ch top not equals to this one, right? Open one or for all the three we need to do the same. So I'll just copy them and paste them. I will put the enter, which is more readable. So here we need to remove this or function here and check for the square braces. Here it is a curly brace one, it is a square closed brace, open brace, and it is a curly open brace. If this is also not this condition is failed, then we need to also return false. Otherwise we check for the stack. If the stack is empty, it returns the true, but that means it is valid. So here the stack data structure is takes a space complexity of O of 1 and the time complexity of O of n times complexity. So let's run this code, check, find out whether it is having any error or not. So there is an error in return statement. So the error is in the line 28. So missing return statement. Yeah, sorry for that. I need to write return here. So now let's run this code. So this code accepted all the test cases and it's being run by every test case. So this is the optimized code using stack data structure. Before we use brute force code, which will gives off and square time complexity, which reduces the efficiency of the program. And here this takes off n times complexity, which is more efficient compared to the brute force approach, and but a little bit of space is occupied because here we use a stack data structure. So this is the valid paralysis. If you haven't watched the previous videos, watch that and later on come to this video and keep on working on it until you easily solve like me. So this is how I solved. So thank you for